Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone if Siri is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our iPhone settings if you have not already. So if you do not already have them opened up or do not know how to open them up, just go to the settings option right here and the home page of your iPhone and tap on the settings icon. This is going to enable you to open up this new menu from where we can get started finding all the settings that we have for our iPhone, and now we can go and get started fixing any Siri problems we might be having. So how to fix Siri if it's not working? First, you're going to ensure it's enabled by going into your settings right here and then scrolling down and finding Apple Intelligence and Siri. So you can just use the search bar at the top of the screen right here. You can just go ahead and scroll down and find Siri and tap on it. As you can see, this is going to enable us to take a look that Siri is turned on. As you can see now, everything right here is turned on. We can use it and we can use talk and type to Siri. This means it is turned on as it is green. After that, you're going to check your internet connection because to use Siri and its functions, you are usually going to need an internet connection, and you can restart your phone. So if you have tried all of this after restarting your device, try using Siri now again and you should usually fix any problems that you might be having, and this is how you go ahead and do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.